Every day, factories around the world produce millions of chocolate bars. But the journey from cocoa bean to smooth, glossy chocolate is more complex than you think. Before a chocolate bar ever reaches a factory, its story begins in tropical rainforests. Cocoa trees grow in warm, humid climates, producing bright yellow and red pods. Inside each pod are cocoa beans, the seeds that become chocolate. Farmers harvest the ripe pods by hand, scoop out the beans, and let them ferment under banana leaves. This natural process develops the rich chocolate flavor we know. All begins with cocoa beans. They're cleaned, sorted, and roasted at precise temperatures. Roasting unlocks the deep chocolate aroma and darkens the beans. Machines crack the roasted beans and separate the shells from the nibs. The nibs are ground into a thick paste called cocoa liquor, the base of all chocolate. To create milk or dark chocolate, factories blend cocoa liquor with sugar, cocoa butter, and sometimes milk powder. Giant mixers knead the ingredients into a uniform mass. Now comes the most important stage, refining. Rollers crush the mixture into ultrafine particles. Then, in a process called conching, the chocolate is heated and stirred for hours to develop its smooth texture and rich flavor. To give chocolate its shine and snap, it must be tempered. This means the liquid chocolate is cooled and reheated in controlled cycles, aligning the cocoa butter crystals perfectly. Finally, the tempered chocolate is poured into molds. Vibrating tables remove air bubbles, and cooling tunnels solidify each bar into its final shape. At the end comes the packaging stage. Each bar is carefully wrapped in foil and sealed in its branded cover. From here, they're boxed, stacked, and shipped around the world. And that's how chocolate bars are made. A precise blend of science, engineering, and a little bit of sweetness.